If your video has annoying background noise like wind, fan sound, traffic or people talking, don't worry, you can remove it easily on your Android phone using the YouTube Create app. First, open the Play Store and download the app if you don't already have it. After installing, open the app and sign in with your email account. Now tap on Create Project. And select the video you want to edit. After choosing the video, tap the Improve button to add it to the editor. Play the video once so you can hear the unwanted background noise clearly. Next, tap on the video clip in the timeline. After selecting the clip, new option will appear below. Find and tap the Audio Cleanup option. This feature automatically removes background noise and makes your voice cleaner. Wait a few seconds while they process the audio. Once the noise is removed, play the video again to hear the difference. If everything sounds good, tap the download or export button at the top of the screen. Your clear video will then be saved to your phone gallery. This is one of the easiest way to improve video sound quality on Android. Hope you understand. I have a request. If you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.